Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're taking a look at a product line. This is called Mrs. Meyers Clean Day. Now you may have seen this. This is available pretty much everywhere. I found this first when I moved to New York about 3 or 4 years ago. Before then, I knew that the product existed, and I'm sure I've seen it in like bathrooms and kitchens all around, but now this is a time where I've started using this for the past few years. The scents, I think, are what make the product. Outside of that, it may be just considered a kind of medium, like, run-of-the-mill product. There are worse, there are better, but it's just one key scent has really resonated with me. But just the product line, it's not terribly expensive, and because it's available everywhere, there's just so many different ways to get a hold of this. So they make different household products, and when I say that, I have here hand lotion, and then I also have here, this is room freshening spray, and this does happen to be my favorite scent. This is Geranium, if they want to focus on that right there. And they have formulas that they're very happy about. They say, we make effective, trusted formulas and made without propellants, formaldehyde, parabens, or artificial colors. Maybe you can read that, the third one that's right there. I just can't do that. And of course, the face tracking is doing way too good of a job right now. Let's see if it's going to get that. Yep. So this Geranium Scent, just one of my favorite things, and it just brings me back to when I first moved to New York City. It feels like home for whatever reason. When I first stayed in an Airbnb, when I was still scouting the area, they had this as their, just the washroom soap, and just has stuck with me. My second favorite scent out of this would be basil, and then after lavender. They do make some seasonal ones that are only available for a limited time. I believe I got one that was like pumpkin. I'm a very big pumpkin spice fall kind of guy when it comes to that. It just was really good. But yeah, it's the scents that really make this. I know that they have their formulas that they talk about here. Actually, if you look at the lotion, it does show what it's made of here. And let's see, that is plant-derived ingredients, natural essential oils, shea butter, almond oil, aloe vera, and glycerin. And also, another good thing is this is not tested on animals. So if that little symbol right there means not tested on animals. It's just a product that I myself like, and I would go back to. I would really recommend it. I mean, you can always go with a Dial, or you can go with a higher end brand for lotion or anything like that. I know there are a lot, like maybe you've heard of Savon soaps. They come in nice glass bottles. They are really fine hand and body soaps. And maybe you've heard of Dr. Bronner's too. That's maybe a product I would find on the same level in considering their soaps, but they have Meyers, they have, let's see, laundry detergent, dishwashing soap, hand soap, room fresheners, candles, which I'm a big fan of candles. I get candles from, what is the lines? Boy Smells, Apothecary, Urban Apothecary, like a lot of nice candles, Diptyque, but it just, for some reason, it fills up a room with the scent whenever you use one of their products. The lotion here, for example, even just using a small little bit, that really just kind of sticks with you. It's not overpowering. It's something that I would really recommend if you just want something that gives you the sensation, maybe just of being clean. I just really like the scent. The two products that I would personally go for would be the hand soap and the room freshener. If you like the scent, you would want your room to smell like that. If you just like the sensation of being clean in general, I would go again with the hand wash. And then after, it being winter right now, the hand lotion is really good. So again, you can find these almost anywhere. Target, and I know Amazon has it, Walmart has it too. So give it a try. It does get my recommendation. This is Mrs. Meyers Clean Day products. And Geranium is my personal favorite scent. So give it a try, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, you can find me on Instagram at M8B9, and you can email me if you'd like, and that's Matt, matt8b9. That's matt8b9 at gmail.com. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.